we are going to make the custom shapes here. Then I will choose the paints here. That's the paint we are using there on the new design. So let's make the changes again. Here is the filter sheets. Make that structure. Another tool here we will use the pattern stems over that designs, making a new shape here. So that's it.